Good day, sir. So I am Lawrence Pantaleon, and today I'll be explaining the Hackerrank questions. So I have already answered the 25 questions. So let's start from number 1, the Java std in and Java std out 1. So in this challenge, it will read 3 integers from std in and then print them out to std out. So in the original code, that was provided, so we have to complete the lines from 8 to 9 and lines from 12 to 13. So I used the scan or the std in to lines 8 and 9 that was to scan the integers and use std out to print the integers. So it's just simple. So you have to scan or you have to input the integers and then print them out. So if I were to submit code, so all test cases are successful. Next is question number 2. So the Java std in and std out 2. So in this challenge, we must read an integer, a double, and a string from std in and std out 2. So int is already given here. So I just write a code where it will scan a string and a double. So and then print them out. So all test cases are successful. Next is number 3, the Java data types. So in this challenge, we must determine which primitive data types are capable of properly storing an input given an input integer. So these lines under the if x is greater than or equal to 128, so this is the lines that I write to complete the code. So now it will determine if the given primitives are capable of storing it, given each input variable n and appropriate primitive data type. If there will be more than one appropriate data type, it will print each one on its own line and order them by size. And if the number cannot be stored in any primitives, it will print the line n cannot be fitted anywhere. So that's it. All test cases are successful. Next is number 4. It's still loading. The Java if-else. So in this challenge, we use if-else conditional statements. So first we scan an integer, and given the conditional actions here, it will print weird or not weird given a number. So if we try to submit this code, test cases will be successful, and if we input 3, the expected output is weird because one of the conditional statement is if the number given is odd, it will print weird. Next, number 5, the Java loops. Okay, so we will use loops to do simple math. So we just change and add some lines of codes here, and in this task, given an integer, it will print the first 10 multiples. So it is just a simple math. So here, all test cases are successful, and if we input the number 2, so the expected output will be this. So it will print the 10 multiples of 2